Hello, we are the Design Dreamers. I'm Dee.
I'm Dory. Welcome to our channel.
Welcome back. Hopefully you're enjoying us, and we so appreciate your views. Thank you so much.
So our message today is your dreams can take you anywhere. My sister gave me this cute little box, and I liked what it said. So that's our message this week. Your dreams can take you anywhere. So don't be afraid to dream. You never know where you'll end up.
That's true.
Yeah. We ended up at Fields Fabric not too
Yes.
long ago, and
That's where our dream took us.
our dreams took us right to Fields Fabric. And when we got there, much to our surprise, they were having a clearance on patterns. Now, if you follow us on Instagram, Dee and Dory on Instagram, you'll see I took a picture of the display of the clearance patterns. So if you got 5 of them, you got them for $1 a piece.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
And
so
these were discounted patterns that, no wait, not
Discontinued.
Discontinued patterns.
They were discounted too.
Greatly. So I'm going to start this time. You
Okay.
can finish up with yours.
All right.
So one of the patterns that I got was a Simplicity 8692. It's this blouse pattern here with a dolman sleeve.
Oh, it's a vintage one.
Yes, it is.
Nice.
And the line drawings show that it should be relatively simple to make. And I actually have in a lighter color blue, a sateen like that. That would make a beautiful, nice blouse. So I'm thinking that's what I will use for that particular blouse. So we'll see how that works.
See, I can't wear those kind of sleeves.
Why?
They don't look good on me.
Is that just your perception or is it the reality?
It's reality.
I'm
I'm not dreaming about that. It's real.
Okay. I
Oh,
also
another vintage.
I got another vintage pattern.
These are fun.
Yeah, which I think is really cute. It's a skirt pattern. It's 8458 Simplicity. And I actually probably am not going to put the panel on it. That is a panel. As when I got it home and took the pattern and looked at the instructions, this panel in the front actually buttons on. It's entirely separate from the
goodness.
skirt. So I probably will just make the skirt because I like the shape of the skirt. The line drawings there show the skirt.
Yeah, I like the
Pretty
fullness
simple.
of it.
Yeah, it's nice and
Yeah.
full. So I thought that would make a really cute skirt.
Yes.
So that's the second pattern that I got. Then I got a nice summer. I thought this would be a cool summer dress. It's a McCall's 7404. I like it belted. I do not like the high-low hem. That I just don't like. But I probably will make it, probably more of that length. And I thought I might play with the stripes. I do like the stripes that way. Going
So you might do a
in
midi
different-
instead of a maxi.
Yeah, a midi instead of a maxi.
Okay.
And it would be a nice light summer dress. And
Yeah,
it looks
cute.
easy to do too. There's the line drawings for it, so not a lot of detail in it. But it does have the yoke, so it should be easy wearing, especially if you go up and down a few pounds, as I seem to like to do. So
Variety.
that's a nice pattern, yes.
Variety is the spice of life.
Well, and you want something that you can wear. Then I found a fun pajama pattern.
Pajamas.
There's another McCall's 7696. Really, really cute. I like the fancy sleeve work on this one. And it just looks like it would be a nice summer.
Are those like
Pajama.
satin pajamas?
Those are satin pajamas, but I won't make them out of satin because that would be...
Too slippery?
Yeah,
hot?
I'm thinking, probably too
hot,
warm.
yeah.
Too warm for me. So, you know how
Cute.
that goes, ladies.
Yeah.
Okay, and then another top. McCall's again, 6927. So it's just a basic top. So that would be a nice summer top. A little more fitted than what I've been using. It has the darts in it. Has a seam up the back. There's the line drawings for that. So, and this is made for cottons and wovens. No stretch needed
Says
for
easy
that.
on the front. Easy breezy.
Yeah, easy is usually,
Relative.
yeah, depending. Yeah, very relative. So that's my pattern haul. Now we will come to Doris's pattern haul. She got lots of fun things.
Also known as Dory.
Yeah.
So I got a 1940s vintage pattern. It's 8508. It's really cute. Yeah. And then there's the line drawings. The jacket has lots of pieces, it looks like. The skirt looks very easy to make.
Yeah.
So that's 8508.
That'd be
Simplicity.
really cute.
And this is a fun dress from McCall's. It is 7800. So that's just kind of a fun dress. And yep, there's the views.
Yep, and there's actually not much detail, you know, there's no darts in it. It's just like a shift dress, so nice.
Yeah. And I got a pajama pattern too. An easy one. 6659. It has a robe in it, and it has short pajamas, it has long pajamas. Oops, I think my finger's covering the short pajamas. And a robe and everything. So it had a lot of pieces in it, so I thought that was kind of nice. A lot of different varieties that you could make.
Versions. Yeah.
Versions, yeah.
And this is also an easy pattern. It says easy right there.
Oh, I
So
like easy. Okay, so this one doesn't say easy on it.
no, it doesn't.
It's a McCall's 7665, but I like the pleats in the back of that jacket.
That's cute.
I thought it was really cute, and I have several fabrics that are heavy enough to make a really cute jacket. So there's the details.
Does it have the pleats in the longer version too? Yeah, I think it does. Yes, it does.
Yeah, and I like the pleats.
Yeah, I like the longer version with the pleats. I think that's going to be really cute.
And then 7604 has a McCall's prairie skirt on it.
Boy, that's right in style.
And those, yeah, if you've been paying any attention to what's in style, if you've seen any of the magazines, fashion magazines, they're showing a lot of ruffles on skirts. But I also like the full skirt here too. So I really liked this pattern. So it's got the full and it's got the ruffle. Oh, sorry. Yeah, got some McCall's. This one here is a McCall's 7059. McCall's 7059. And it has some pants in it, top. Yeah, and it's got different views of the top. I don't know if you can see in the drawings. So you can have it short sleeves or long sleeves or even sleeveless top. Yeah, plus pants. There's a lot of good stuff in that pattern. And then this is a vintage, 1950s vintage, pattern number Simplicity 8507. And I think that's a cute skirt, and it comes with, so this all it has is the skirt and the scarf, or the, you can use that as a shawl, I guess. So, there's that one. Hey, is this the one you had?
Yes, same top.
Oh, I have the same top as my sister. You don't need to see it twice. Okay, here's a 1970s vintage, and it's another skirt, 8019. And I think it's really cute. Again, it's fairly easy. It's one pattern, and you can use it in different lengths.
There you go.
To get
That
the look you
works.
want. Yeah.
Here's a button down front. It's a button down front.
Is this one button down?
Yep.
It is button down. We'll see how that works. Probably won't forget the buttons. 8469, Simplicity. Here's a jacket. Look at those sleeves on that jacket.
Cute, cute, cute.
How fun.
Yeah, very fun.
Yeah. So, whoops. I'm not so good at showing the pattern lines. So, that's the drawings for it. Looking forward to that coat, jacket. And one more skirt, just because it's funky.
Just because you need another skirt.
8650.
Oh, yeah, look at that. It's clear. It's
Yeah,
it
well,
has-
mine will not be clear.
or you can see through it.
Yeah.
With netting.
Yeah, mine will not be like that.
You're not going to do that version?
But I might make that little bag. I think that little bag is cute. Like
The little bag
it
is
almost looks like a pocket to me. So
Yeah.
I think that's cute. So, and you know what? You could even make that little bag for something else. It doesn't necessarily have to go with this skirt.
That's right. It doesn't
So
necessarily.
the last thing I did is they had also for $1.97 the McCaw's Discontinued book.
Yay!
So I like that. 'Cause I can
What
sit
year
here.
is that?
This is 2019.
Yeah.
Fall
Very
of
good.
2019. And some of those patterns are still, actually still.
Well,
out there.
these are discontinued.
Those are discontinued, but I mean some of the patterns in here,
Yes,
in this
in a-
book,
yes.
which is fun to just sit there and look through it and get ideas. And they have, actual people in them rather than just a drawing too, and they can give you some ideas.
Yes, yes.
So that is it for our Fields Fabric,
pattern
pattern
haul. Got lots and lots and lots of patterns.
$1 a piece.
Yeah.
It was amazing. It was a lot of fun.
That was a total just fine. We walked in there seeing what they'd have, and there it was.
And there it was, and we were like, patterns today. So thank you for watching us. Hit subscribe so you can keep up with us. Maybe you'll see some of these patterns actually being worked out in fabric and actually made.
Yes, and as one knows who sews, you can never really have too many patterns or too much fabric.
No, never.
Never.
That's right. That's right. And don't forget, your dreams can take you anywhere. And that might even be to Fields Fabric or some other store that has a great sale. Have a good one. Thank you for subscribing. Hit the
Bye-bye.
button. Bye.